Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming basics. Make sure your AirPods have charge and your iPhone's Bluetooth is on. Open the AirPods case near the phone and connect. You should see them listed in Settings Bluetooth. Once paired, swipe to Control Center or go to Settings Accessibility AirPods to find Transparency mode. Act now, enabling transparency routes outside sound into the earbuds so you can hear ambient noise without removing them, which is ideal for brief conversations or street awareness. Once done, adjust settings to match your environment. Press and hold the volume control in Control Center and pick Transparency under Noise Control. This switches modes fast. For better clarity, go to Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual and tweak headphone accommodations, boost high or low frequencies as needed. Make sure the AirPods fit snugly and the mic isn't blocked. A correct seal improves pass-through quality. These steps change how much external sound you hear, and why transparency can be both subtler and safer than removing earbuds. To finish, test transparency in a real setting. Listen for distant voices or traffic, then switch off to notice the difference. If sound is muffled or inconsistent, make sure the mesh is clean and the AirPods sit correctly. Debris blocks microphones. If problems remain, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and repair them, because repairing resolves many software hiccups. Finally, restart your iPhone and check for firmware updates. These steps often fix lingering connectivity or mode switching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.